can see right here, this thing wobble a lot.
It goes like in and out.
Yeah. And when I push it, stay on there.
Just stays on that crank.
Yeah. And now stay on the crank. But I think something with that water pump probably because you can see the end of it right here. It's moving in there a lot.
It's only 6, right? Huh?
What?
6 size 10 millimeter socket. 3 on this side, 3 on that side.
Yeah. Heavy duty water pump. Yeah, good thing I check it out. Otherwise, I put a pulley in there, then we'll fix it. Yeah, this is heavy duty water pump.
This is the old water pump. That's that new tensioner. We're gonna pull that new tensioner off and put it on the new water pump. So apparently the bearings collapsed on one of the side on the side of that water pump.
Turning it. You can feel it. Turn it. With the hot weather, get you right here. Turn that thing. It looks like a bearing is collapsing.
That noise is the bearings?
Yeah. Okay. Now feel this one. See how smooth that thing is? Because, you know, I got silver Corvette before that, but I should have hang on to it. The one I should have hang on to is the 64 Corvette convertible.
You had that one?
Yeah,
yeah.
But you're back in the day, you know, when you're young, you're in college, you don't have a lot of money. And the guy saw I have it. One day I gotta clean it up. I bought it. I bought it from the barn, you know, and they've been in there for a while.
Yeah.
And I think the son or the in front of my house, and the older guy, kind of white guy, come by. You know, back in the day, you know, in the 90s, you know, and they okay, but they not worth a lot of money.
Yeah, later on, it's when they started.
Yeah. You know how much that's worth now?
Oh, close to 100, isn't it?
No, the last time I feel about it,
yeah,
I call you. Maybe we can get it set up or something. You know,
we'll do something.
Yeah, you can put it out there and give it a shot. You know.
Oh yeah.
She said that you get ahead, somebody know what they're doing, and get good, you know, sound system and everything else. Get bigger.
These are the 3 size 10mm holes. That's size 10mm bolts. You got 3 here and 3 on this side.
Yeah. About 27 foot-pound.
27. Joe, just like the pulleys. The pulleys, I think it was recommending like 37 foot-pounds.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah, these are 27. Yeah, when you're not in the system, I mean, there are a lot of people in the system, but they don't need it, you know?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I know a guy that had a lot of money, but somehow he got the benefit. I don't know how he did it, but he got the benefit. And he got the housing. He rented out and stayed his girlfriend.
Smart guy.
Yeah. But I don't know how to. And he got paid like, you know, $2,700 a month, and he just, you know, just go around here, good time, I guess.
There it is. It's almost done. You got that tensioner back on. You got the hoses back on. Got the brand new water pump. Brand new water pump. Brand new idler. Brand new tensioner. Apparently it was the water pump that kept pulling that belt off that crank pulley. It's all done. You got your brand new water tank.